خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, this is Sajida Tubassum. I am a Quranic Pak teacher. Inshallah, I will teach you Nurani Qaida. Please subscribe my channel, support me. Okay, dear students, let's start the class. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mursaleen. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, Nurani Qaida is basic book to learn Arabic. Remember that. There are total Arabic alphabet is 29. Remember that. Okay. Our first Arabic alphabet is Alif. Okay dear, see how looks Alif. Alif looks like straight line. Alif, Alif, Alif. Alif comes from the empty part of mouth. Remember that. Do practice Alif, Alif, Alif. Come to next. Our next alphabet is Ba, Ba, Ba. Remember that. Ba comes from the wet part of lips. When the both lips meet each other, Ba comes. Ba has one dot on below. Remember that. Yes, now come to next. Next alphabet is Ta, Ta, Ta. Ta comes when the tip of the tongue touches the up top front teeth. Remember that. It's Ta. Next alphabet is Sa, Sa. Sa comes when the tip of the tongue touches the edge of the upper two front teeth. Yes, dear. Now let's do some revision. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. Come to next. Next alphabet is Jim. Jim has one dot on belly. Remember that. And Jim comes the center of the tongue touches the upper hard palate. Jim, Jim, Jim. Come to next. Next alphabet is Ha, Ha, Ha. Ha comes like we take breath. Originate from the center of the throat. Ha, like this. Come to next. Dear students, next alphabet is Ha, Ha, Ha. Ha is heavy letter. Originate from the upper portion of the throat. Remember that. Ha, Ha, Ha. Come to next. Next alphabet is Dal, Dal, Dal. Dal comes when the tip of the tongue touches the gums of the upper two front teeth. Remember that. Dal, Dal. Okay. Come to next. Next alphabet is Zal, 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 Zal. Zal comes when the tip of the tongue touches the edge of the upper two front teeth. Remember that. Come to next. Our next alphabet is Ra, Raw. Raw is heavy letter. Remember that. And raw comes when the tip of the tongue touches the upper hard palate. Okay, dear students. Now come to next. Next alphabet is Z. 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 Remember that. Okay. What is that? It's Z. When the tip of the tongue rises towards the upper palate, touching the gums behind the upper two front teeth, za comes. Remember that. You should have to do practice. Okay, dear. Now next alphabet is Sin. Sin. Whistling sound like Sin. When the tip of the tongue rises towards the upper palate, touching the gums behind the upper two front teeth, Sin come. Okay? Sin. Let's do some revision. See? Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin. Okay, dear. Let's move to next one. Sheen. Sheen. Look, Seen and Sheen has same shape, but only difference between is dots. Sheen has 3 dots. Remember that? Okay. Next alphabet is Swad. Swad. This is heavy. It's heavy sound. Remember that. Swad. Don't add the wow sound. Swad. Yes. Come to next. See, both alphabet has same shape like here, but there is only difference between is one dot. Okay, this alphabet is Zod. Zod. Remember that. Now, please note down the makhrij of Sheen. Okay, where comes Sheen? The center of the tongue touches the upper hard palate. Sheen comes. Okay, remember that. And do you know what is makhrij of Sod? When the tip of the tongue rises towards the upper palate, touching the gums behind the upper two front teeth, Swad comes. Okay, remember that. Next is Zod. Now, please note down the makhrij of Zod. The upturned sides of the tongue touches the gums of the upper back teeth. Zod comes. Remember that. Okay, I think so. This is enough for today. You should have to do practice. Okay. Now let's do some revision. Our first letter is Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Sheen, Sheen, Sod, Zod. Okay, dear, you should have to do practice. This is your lesson. Okay, you have to do practice of these words. Inshallah, we will learn more alphabets in next class. Now it's time to recite the dua. Ending class is Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Sallallahu ala habibihi Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa sallam. Dear student, this is all for today. Inshallah Azawajal, we'll see you next class. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh wa maghfirah. Allah Hafiz.